Welcome to the Minettas, the best kept secret in the West Village. I'm Adam Kushner. I'm the architect, the general contractor, and the owner of the house that you're going to see today. In building this house, I kept the original facade to keep the scale of the neighborhood. However, behind it is a whole new story. So come on inside. Let me show you what I've done. This is our front courtyard. This is our transition space from the city into our home. We love to come out here and have a cup of coffee on a Saturday morning, and it's a very relaxing space. What you're going to see as you look up is a wall of ivy. And that was meant to be the backstop for Minetta Street, which originally had these great oak trees crossing over each other, forming this Gothic arch. You'll find that theme throughout the house. This kitchen, which also serves as the entry to the house, is like an overture. There's an idea of great juxtapositions of both high technology and low technology in one space that we wanted to show as our design intentions that we'll see both here and throughout the rest of the house. So for example, we're going to see ideas of rough, heavy hewn plank wood. Not only did I hand mill it, I also hand cut it, and I planed it all and brought it into the house myself. And it's from here that we can go in all sorts of different directions. So we can go up the stairs to the living room, or we can go out the back door, which is where we're going to go next. What's unique about this property is that there are actually two houses on it. So we have the front house, we have a back house, and right now we're standing in the courtyard between the two. The back house is composed of 3 floors: the ground floor, which is a living room, the middle floor, which is a guest bedroom, and the upper floor, which is a gym. And on the very top is this outdoor space. And from here we have this pretty interesting view of not only the back of our house, but also our climbing wall, which is the tallest private rock climbing wall in the world. And when you look up, it's open skies. So coming up the steps is meant to be this experience of sort of entering the hollow of the tree. We enter the space which I call the cathedral. The ceilings are 24 feet high, which makes the proportions cathedral-like. We are surrounded by these 4 pillars, and these pillars are heavy red oak that run from floor to ceiling. We have the fireplace, and then we have this mirror, which is meant to not only reflect ourselves, but also reflect the cordwood wall, which is behind us. So you might be wondering, why do I have a fireplace about 10 feet off the floor? This space that we're standing in used to be 2 floors, and it used to have 4 different apartments. So that is actually a working fireplace, and therefore the wall of wood that we see here, it's usable timber. In fact, we have it already set up so that the upper portion is already dedicated for the winter of 2025, and the lower portion is going to be used in the winter of 2026. On the 3rd floor, this is our respite. When we want to get away from the city without actually leaving our house, we can sit here and we can feel like we're in upstate New York. We wanted to have a garden here, but we were very unsuccessful trying to figure out how to grow things in New York. So we're going with moss, which is pretty maintenance-free. We have 4 mezzanines in the house, each one for a different purpose. Although we've been using the stairs, we do have an elevator. Willy Wonka, eat your heart out. So here we are on the 6th floor, and this is our primary bedroom. We have our own built-in fireplace, we've got great views, we've got an ensuite walk-through shower, and we have our own private postage stamp size lawn. So again, we find, as we've seen throughout the house, rustic and clean modern materials as well. So come join me on the roof now. So this roof deck is one of my favorite spots in the house. For us, it became a very functional space. We dine up here, we cook up here, and we just wanted to take advantage of the beautiful views that we happen to have. This has been a passion project that's taken me over 12 years to complete. I hope you enjoyed this vicarious tour, and I hope this gives you some inspiration in your spaces in your life.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.